Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to use your phone as mic for a computer. To make your Android or iPhone a mic for your computer, follow these easy steps. First of all, on your mobile, you have to install a app. So go to App Store or Play Store and here search for WO Mic. And all you have to need install these app on your phone. Once the app installed, launch the app. Now it's time to download the app on computer. So on your computer, open a browser and simply search here mic and search for it and open the first link. Here click on download and as you can see we completed first step, and in second step we have to install VC runtime on our computer. So just click here to download the VC runtime installer. And now in this third step we have to download WO Mic installer for Windows. So click here to download the WO Mic installer. Once downloaded, now open your file manager and go to download folder, and here you will see the VC installer. All you have to need, double click on it to run the VC installer. Click on run and here check this box and click on install. Once done, now launch the WO Mic client setup. Click on yes. Select your language, click on OK. Next and next. Install. Once the WO Mic client installed, you have to reboot or restart your computer. So select reboot now and click on finish. After that, on your desktop, now you should see the WO Mic client icon. Just launch WO Mic client. Now on your mobile, here just tap on start at the bottom left, and here you will find a Wi-Fi IP address. Now go to your computer WO Mic client and click on connection. Click on connect and transport type, select Wi-Fi, and in this IP address box you have to add your mobile IP address. So here's, as you can see, I've added my IP address. Now all you have to need, just click on connect, and as you can see, I've successfully connected my iPhone mic on my computer. And now on your computer, open settings and open system settings. Select sound, and here you will find input device. Just click on this drop down and here you have to select WO Mic device. Once you selected WO Mic as your input device, now you can easily use your phone as a mic on your computer. Now I'm going to my Discord and clicking on user settings and clicking on voice and video. I'm selecting WO Mic device and clicking on let's check, and as you can see, I'm using my mobile microphone on my computer and it's working perfectly. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.